In this video, I will show you how to refund games on Steam. So first of all, you have to open up your Steam application. Now on the Steam application's main interface, you very simply have to click on the Steam button that is present at the top left corner of your screen. Now you have to click on Settings. On your settings, you have to click on Account Details. In your account details, you will see a lot of options over here. So you very simply have to click on View Purchase History. Now you will see a history of all of the purchases that you have made in Steam. So you very simply have to select that game which you want to refund. Once you select that game, you have to scroll down and click on I would like a refund. Then again, click on I would like a refund. Now, a new menu will appear in front of you, so you have to scroll down and keep this in mind that the refunds are typically not issued for purchases that are more than 14 days old or have playtime more than 2 hours. After you have made that sure, you have to scroll down and select a reason for your refund. Typically, you can very simply select It's not fun and add a reason that briefly explains your issue. So I will simply write that it's not fun anymore. After you are done, you very simply have to click on Submit Request and you will be able to easily get a refund on Steam. So everyone, that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.